Hi everyone, welcome back to Useful Little Things. In this video, I am sharing the complete 1 year journey of my dragon fruit plants. Last year, I bought 3 dragon fruit plants online, white, yellow and pink varieties. But I didn't know which plant was which color. On October 22nd, 2024, I planted all of them. So I planted 2 plants together in one container and 1 plant separately in another container. As the plants started growing, one of them faced a problem. A black caterpillar began attacking the plant and damaging the tender growth. I immediately took action. I removed the caterpillar and helped the plant recover. I already showed the full care process in my previous video, so you can check that out for details. The plants kept growing slowly and I continued giving them sunlight, support sticks, water and regular care. Then after about 8 months, something very special happened. A tiny bud appeared on one of the plants. It made me so happy because this was my first dragon fruit bud on this plant. The bud became bigger day by day and I was just waiting for the day it would open. I recorded each stage as it grew, so you can see everything here. On the 15th night, it finally opened into a beautiful white dragon fruit flower. It stayed open for just one night, but it looked amazing. Dragon fruit flowers are called the queen of the night because they bloom at night and close the next morning. They usually stay open for about 8 to 12 hours. After the flower bloomed, I pollinated it that same night. I used a small paintbrush to collect the pollen from the anthers and then gently applied the pollen onto the stigma in the center of the flower. It only takes a minute, but it increases the chance of getting fruit. After I pollinated the flower, a little rain started, so I quickly covered the flower with a polythene cover. This helps protect it and keeps the pollen from getting washed away. I removed the cover when the rain stopped. It was raining regularly, so I kept checking the flower. After 5 days, I gently twisted the flower from the small fruit so that water wouldn't stay there. This helps prevent the young dragon fruit from rotting. The fruit kept growing bigger and healthier. While watching it grow, I kept guessing the color inside. By the look of the fruit, I thought it might be pink dragon fruit. From bud to harvest, it took around 45 days. So on the 45th day, the fruit was ready to harvest. This whole journey took about 9 months from planting. I harvested the fruit and gently picked it. Then I cut it open and the flesh inside was beautiful pink. It looked really fresh and perfect. Out of the 3 plants I planted, only this one gave me a fruit this year, but I am still happy because every season teaches me something new. The journey from planting to harvest was full of learning. Gardening teaches hope, joy, and many other small lessons along the way. Thank you so much for watching this complete 1 year update. If you enjoy my gardening videos, please like, share, and subscribe to Useful Little Things. Your support means a lot to me.